Welcome to the Multiomics Analysis Portal, or MAP for short. MAP is a web portal that houses several applications built with the purpose of exploring, visualizing, and analyzing omics data. Several types of omics data are supported by MAP, including proteomics, lipidomics, metabolomics, and transcriptomics. There are many capabilities in MAP. Are you interested in evaluating differential expression or abundance between treatment groups? Try PMART. Interested in the integration of several omics datasets? Give IPMART a try. Want to build statistical and machine learning models with your omics data? Try Slope. These are just 3 examples to illustrate the many functionalities that are available. In the following tutorials, we will teach you how to navigate and use MAP. A key to using MAP is understanding the 2 main object types called project and midpoint files. A project file contains omics datasets that have yet to be normalized, and a midpoint file is comprised of omics datasets that at a minimum have been normalized in a MAP application. Before beginning to use MAP, we recommend users watch this video series or review the reference documentation in the documentation dropdown in the top right of this page. If you ever find yourself needing a quick refresher, check out the Home tab's quick summary of the portal and links to other videos for each app. See you in the next video.